This is the code of our laptop controlled bot. We first do the initialization where we have given terms to our pins on Arduino. The pin number 10 is referred to as motor R1. Motor R2 refers to pin number 9. Motor L1 refers to pin number 5 and motor L2 refers to pin number 6. So later on in the code, whenever we use one of these terms, motor R1, motor R2, motor L1, L2, we basically will be referring to pin numbers 10, 9, 5 and 6, and the code understands this. Moving on, we see char x. So what does this mean is that we are defining a letter x which is going to be a variable and takes the value of whatever input we provide it with. We'll get back to it later on. Then we have the void setup where we declare if the given pin is an input or output pin, and we define Serial.begin 9600 so that the refresh rate of the serial monitor is declared to be 9600 over here. After that, there's the void loop. This is where our main code is being written. We write serial x is equal to read to take the input from our keyboard, and whatever input we give will be registered as x. So if we give the input as W, capital or small, and then we have this first condition, if x is equal to W comma small w, then this code will be executed. And then the bot should ideally move forward. So now at first you need to check if your connections are right and your wheels are moving in the right direction. So how do you do that is you go to the serial monitor, and before going to the serial monitor you need to compile the sketch and upload it. Once done compiling, upload it. Uploading done, you go to your serial monitor, press W and then click on enter. So now the wheels of your bot should be rotating in the forward direction. If they are not, I'll tell you what to do, but before that we need to stop the wheels from rotating. So this is the command for that, and the condition we have specified is space bar. So in our serial monitor we enter space and then click on the enter key. So now the wheels of your bot will stop moving. Now you should have seen which wheel of your bot wasn't moving in the forward direction. So in case if it was the left wheel, you make the changes as I show you guys now. For motor L1 is equal to 5 right now, you make it 6, and motor L2 is equal to 6 was equal to 6, you make it 5. In case the left wheel was rotating in the opposite direction, was going backwards instead of forwards when we press W. If both the wheels were going backward, do the same changes for both. But right now I took the case of only of the left wheel, so just make the changes for the left wheel if required. Otherwise, 6 and 5, this was our initial condition, which would be perfectly fine. This is our case if we want the bot to move forward. Else, if the input of X, the input from our keyboard, is S, then we want the bot to move backwards. So this is the code for the bot to move backward. And if our input is S, this code will be executed, and rest of these cases won't be checked for, and we'll go back to the very top of the while loop. Same goes for if X is equal to A, digital right? This is the case for the bot. This is the code for the bot to move left. This is the code for the bot to move right. And this is for stop. So I'll go a little bit more detail about what these codes are. So basically we have two pins controlling each motor, and we cannot have both of the pins controlling a single motor as high because I'll just burn the circuit. So we have given one of those pins as high, so the motor will rotate in a particular direction. So analyzing how the motor rotates, we have given this condition for both the motors, says that when both the motors rotate, it'll turn in a particular direction. So in this case, it goes right, it turns right. Over here you can see everything is low, that means the bot just stops moving. Alright, so this is pretty much it. And yeah, the input values are taken in terms of x, like are taken as x is equal to whatever the input you give. So that's why, because we had defined the character x, which would be a variable earlier, we are using x over here to be the input. And that's pretty much it.